Uh, how many years old?
13.
Okay. And what was your problem with it?
I had cervical lordosis and I had loss of appetite and I was less active.
Less active. Okay. So now how you are after the treatment? This is your 7th treatment. Okay. After taking treatment, what all difference you are finding?
My appetite is going a lot. I've been starting to play my sports more, like more than usual.
Okay.
And my back has also become a bit more straight.
Yeah, just show me. Stand up and show. Okay. So and stand straight. Yeah. Okay. So now this problem of lordosis has resolved, right? Now you can sit upright.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you happy with the treatment?
Yes, a lot. And